So in this bag, you see this stuff swirling around. What's in there? I added some hot sauce, some salt, and some water. This is a gallon zip top bag, and I'm just giving it a shake to dissolve the salt. I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, now we're going to address the chicken. Some bone-in chicken thighs, and I'm just going to trim this, the excess fat. Let the knife do the work. See, like I want to get rid of that right there. Just cut it, let the knife do the work. And really, just get rid of any undesirable bits you see that you don't want. So I'm happy with that. You don't want to take off all the skin though, because we are making fried chicken. So we have our chicken cleaned and trimmed. And remember, this is our bag of water, hot sauce, and salt. We're gonna get our chicken inside this bag. Okay, we have our chicken inside our bag with our hot sauce, our salt, and our water. Now we're just going to zip up the bag. Let some of the air out. Zip the bag some more. Squeeze more air out. What we want to make sure of is that our brine covers all the chicken. Now, I'm going to place this back in this bowl. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and we're going to let the chicken sit in the brine for 4 to 8 hours. What we're trying to do is flavor the inside of the chicken. You know how you have chicken, it's great, it has a great crunch, it has a great everything, but the inside has no flavor. So this is one of the ways that we add flavor to the inside of the chicken. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is make sure that our oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now that we have the oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to take a baking pan. We have some butter here. We have the butter in the pan, and we're going to toss it in the oven. This is equivalent to preheating your pan with oil in it if you was frying chicken on the stove. Butter melt and cook a little bit. Let the pan get hot, add some paper towel to it. And we have our chicken here from the refrigerator. We're gonna remove it from the brine and we're gonna pat it dry. Just gonna get in here and pull it out. Gonna fry this chicken in that butter. And it's gonna be good. Super simple, right? Here's our chicken. We have some flour in this bag. Gonna get the chicken into the bag, 2 at a time. Give it a good shake up. I'm gonna shake off all the excess. That's very important. And we want to make sure that we get this skin side down. What we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna get this chicken in the oven and we're gonna cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it gently and then cook it for another 20 minutes or so until it's cooked through. So we flipped it over. Now we're gonna toss it back into the oven and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Wanna make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Look at that. Look at that. Crispy oven fried chicken. Super simple to make. I have this pan with some paper towel on it, and I'm just going to put the chicken onto here. Super hot gas. Now guys, I'm gonna get some fresh cracked black pepper over the top. Drop a little salt on top. This was some biscuits and some mashed potatoes and gravy.